Hi friends, this is Ramana. Today I will show in this demo how to insert data when your source document does not have any identity but your destination table has identity. First of all, I will show my table. So this is my table which is called text underscore rank underscore database. So it is ICC gave ranks. ICC gave rank accordingly as per their performance. So if you see the structure of this table, it has three columns: rank, name, and country. So rank, when it comes to rank, integer is seed and increment. Rank has identity column and with seed 1 and increment. So right now we have only two records in the table: rank 1 and rank 2, and respective players and their country names. Now I will show my source document. This is player document, which is a text document. So if you see the document, it contains remaining 8 players out of 10 rank players. It contains remaining 8 players, but there is no rank or ID here, just name and country. The text document contains only two columns with the comma separated, 8 rows, 8 records are there, but there is no identity column in this text document. Now, in this case, how can we insert the data into the destination table without disturbing any rank? The third rank will automatically comes to Baba Rajim. So at the time of after insertion, he can get the rank 3, and this person Travis Head as rank 4, Joe Root as rank 5. Like that, the records will be inserted in this table. So for that, how can we do? How can we insert? So we know there is by using the bulk insert command, we can also load the data into the table directly from the source. Just to pass the source document path and delimiter and row terminator, all these things. Field terminator and row terminator. What I need to do in this demo is, instead of writing the bulk insert command directly on the table, I will insert the data, whatever the data that is shown in test document. I will insert all this data into one staging table first. Afterwards, I will let insert into command to load the data into this test rank table. For that, first I am creating one staging table. Create player clear create table player underscore stage. This is my table name. So it contains name, chair, T, and country. Country, it is also varchar 20. So I'm creating this table now. So right now we don't have any data in this table. Right now there is no data, only name and country. So what I did here is, whatever the source column does have columns I am creating one staging table, and with the same columns, I will dump this data into the first in staging table by using the bulk insert command. Now I am writing the bulk insert command. Bulk insert, bulk insert, bulk insert in which table? It is in player stage table. From means here you need to give the path of this text document. So you need to get the path of this text document. I am taking this path, and you need to give the path within single quotes. Within single quotes. Next, with is keyword. With first row. If you mention the first row is equal to 2. So first of all, if you mention first row is equal to 1, it will the data will dump from the header columns onwards. So first, if you mention instead of 2, if you mention it 1 here, 1, then the data will dump it from name and country onwards. So we don't want name and country. We already created the table which contains name and country. So for that reason, I am taking the first row as 2. So that means the data will dump it from second row onwards from the text document. And second one is field terminator. Field terminator. Field terminator is equal to, what is the field terminator here? Field terminator is comma delimiter. Comma delimiter. Here we need to give field terminator as comma within single quotes and row terminator. Next, row terminator. Row terminator is equal to here new line. You can mention new line like this and close the braces. So this is the statement. Bulk insert and which table? I am going to insert the data into this table from this path. The data in the text document is of my data is in this path. I gave this path within single quote, and you can write all these properties. First is first row and field delimiter and terminator. If your field delimiter is the pipe symbol, then you have to give the pipe here. Row terminator is the next line. So I am executing this bulk insert. So 8 rows inserted. So as we saw, there is 8 records are there. Now, if you check the table, stage table, there are 8 records. Now, from this table, I am going to insert the data into the main table, that is test rank table. So, after bulk insert command, I am using here insert into class. Insert into which table? Insert into this is the test rank table. Insert into test rank. Which columns you want to insert? I want to insert from name and country. Name, comma, country. Country. Here you need to use select statement. Select name, country from which table? From player stage table. From player stage. So this is the command insert into command. Insert into which table you want to insert? I want to insert on test rank table. Test rank table with only 2 columns. Now I want to insert all these 8 rows. So whatever the columns you want, I want to name and country, and afterwards you write select statement. Select whichever columns you want. Select name, comma, country from which table? This stage table. We already inserted the data into stage table by using bulk insert command. So I am writing the insert class. I am executing now. So 8 rows are affected. If you go and check your select statement. Select class main table test rank. See here, all 10 ranks players are displayed. The first player in the test segment is Barbara Jim. Barbara Jim got the third rank, followed by Travis Head, fourth rank, and Joe fifth rank, and Shrapat, all these things. So this is useful when your master table has already some data uh, with, with identity column on ID. Then you have to first download your data using the bulk insert command in any stage table or temporary table. First you write this bulk insert command, and after after loading the data into this stage table, then you need to pick the insert into statement, and whichever columns you want, you have to mention within the braces and select those columns from this stage table. This is way you need to insert the data when your source document does not have any ID column, but your destination table has identity um, with the seed and increment. So this is the best approach to follow without disturbing the data should load it perfectly. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you very much.